Hello, this is Teacher Mar. Welcome to Basic English. Today we are going to talk about this, that, these, and those. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's have a short activity first. Please take a look at the first picture. Blank is an airplane. A, this, B, these, C, that, D, those. What's your answer? If your answer is C, that is an airplane, you are correct. Next, blank are trees. A, this, B, these, C, that, D, those. What's your answer? If your answer is those, you're correct. Now, how about this one? Blank is a carrot. A, this, B, these, C, that, D, those. If your answer is this, you're correct. This is a carrot. How about this one? Blank are books. A, this, B, these, C, that, D, those. If your answer is these, you are correct. These are books. This, these, that, and those are called demonstrative pronouns. What is a demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun used to point to specific people or things. When do we usually use the word this? The word this is used to denote a singular object that is near the speaker. How about these? The word these is used to denote a plural or more than one object that is also near the speaker. How about that? That is the word used to denote a singular object that is far from the speaker. How about those? Those is used to denote plural or more than one object that is far from the speaker. Now, let's take a look at this example. Blank is a book. What's your answer? This, these, that, or those? If your answer is this, you're correct. As you can see, the speaker is holding the book, and the book is only one or singular. Thus, the correct answer is this. How about this one? Blank are books. What's your answer here? If your answer is B, these, you're correct. As you can see, the speaker is holding a lot of books. It means that it's plural. So we will use these. How about this one? Blank is a bird. If your answer is that, you're correct. As you can see, the bird is far from the speaker and the bird is only one. It means it's singular. How about this one? Blank are birds. What's your answer here? If your answer is those, you're correct. As you can see, there are two birds here, and these birds are far from the speaker. So you will use those. So if you have some more questions, you can comment down below and I'll be happy to answer those questions. Thank you very much and see you again next time. Bye.